it's Hannah on Face Good Works, and I really quickly wanted to share with you like a revelation that I had. My grandparents gave me a car, and I really wanted to get it all nice and clean and really good, and this one part of the car was so hard. It was like, I don't know, like he might have spilled oil. I don't know what he spilled in there, but it was like tar, like super sticky. So here's the console. I have my driver's seat, passenger seat, and in here, right in this little compartment here, it was sticky, absolutely horrible, and I used this product, Black Magic Bleche-Wite tire cleaner, and it says tire cleaner, but then it also says fast acting formula, dissolves brake dust, grease, grime, and road film. So the grease and grime is really what got me looking at it. So the guy from AutoZone helped me find this. I showed him what was in my console, and he, thought it was horrible and disgusting, and showed me that product and said that would be great. So thank you so much for showing me this. It is from AutoZone, and I was going to put this like to cover it up. It was so disgusting, and I did not know how to get it out. This fabric I was going to put in there to, make it look nicer than like having it all sticky and disgusting in there. And so you have to keep this away from your pants or it's going to make it white, so know that. And so I just like went crazy, and I just sprayed in here like crazy. I do not have a before because I didn't really know if this was going to work at all, but this worked so well. It was, here, let me show you. I used, look at how black. That is how absolutely dark, black, disgusting it was in there, and I did not know what it was. I just knew it was something sticky, greasy, so I used all that, and it was really, really nice. So I went all in here. I used this brush here, and I just scraped in there, scraped, brushed it super hard, and it worked like magic. I just want to say that if you have any issues with your getting grease out, all you have to do is buy this tire cleaner, and it works so well. I would really, really highly recommend it. So I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys that I just really think you should try this out if you have any problems like that. And also, do not get it near your clothes. Do not put it on fabric, this cleaner, because it is bleach, and I used it a little bit on there and it was fine, but then I started putting it on my steering wheel, which is kind of sticky, and it started taking the paint off of my steering wheel. So I do not recommend, or I would not at all, put it on fabric or anything like that, or it'll bleach it, take the paint off of things. So be mindful of that. It takes a lot to take it off. It's like if you're scrubbing really hard, or something like that, but I would say no fabric, no putting it on something, on paint that will come off easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. There it is again. God bless.